JDCap26 here, just appears in hobbies. I'm going to show you how to address an envelope on the G720 Canon, so stay tuned. The envelope loaded in the rear tray vertically, and we're going to see if we can do a print. So let's open up this file, go to File, Print, and we have to go Settings, Black and White, Media, Quality, Auto, Layout, Paper Handling. There's supposed to be a in here where I select the envelope. Okay, we got to go rear tray. So rear tray. All right. Normal quality. Let's give it a whirl. We're going to hit print. Got to go through its thing. Those are the tanks and the ink priming up. There we go. And we'll pull it out. And we got the, since we put it in this way vertically, we got it centerized, but we got a vertical address on there. So when you put it in, you have to put the envelope in this way horizontally, and you'll get it across the envelope. So that's how you do that. And if you have any questions, let me know. And thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.